guys, welcome to another braiding series on my channel. And if this is your first time watching my video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button and the notification button in case if I upload new videos. So in this braiding section, I'll be twisting my hair and be adding a little bit of coils. So I already wrapped the coils on my bendy rollers and added hot water in it, and this is the result. So stay tuned guys. This is different portions that I have made by myself, and I used colorful bands to pack them neatly. So doing this will make your work look neat and easier. So I'll be doing it like a normal braid, as you can see. Yeah, I took a little bit, then I put it at the middle, closed it, and this. So just watch how I do. So after braiding it to your satisfied level, then you share it into two. You share the one at the middle into two, then start twisting. Make sure the twisting are tight. Then this is the part where I add the coils, and I want you to watch how I add the coils. So I added the coils and I twisted it together with the attachment. Then after a while, then I used my mouth to secure it. Then I started twisting. Then after twisting to my desired level, I let down the coils. So this is the final result. So now we're done with this portion guys, and we'll be moving to another bundle. And as I said earlier, the way I portion my hair, that is how I'm going to be picking them. So the one we are doing is the middle part, the one I portioned into two. So this is the second part. portions here at the side. As you can see, it is giving already, and I just want it to be like very full. So, and I started doing from the back, and I'll be adding more chocolates to the back. So here it is. So guys, my ring light went off, so I just plugged it right now, and I don't know if you guys can manage to like see like this. So as you can see, I'm done with this side. I'm just left with 2 bunch at the back and just 1 bunch here and a very big bunch here. Yeah, mine is very full and thick, so I'll just keep going. So guys, our ring light is back and we are making progress. We are progressing. I love what it's giving, like mini twist requires. Okay, so we have the middle left back and we are almost done. I love the fact that if you are watching and you're like still at this level, that means you have watched through and you've watched through it all. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching my channel. We are done. This is the final look. Okay, I'm actually like added hot water to the braids. I don't even know what to do right now because of the coils and everything, but you know, I always get myself around things, so that won't be nothing difficult for me to figure out. So this is it. So I'm going to go on and trim out the excess. I'm loving it. Like, look at it. It is so there. As long as you portion your braids, like you portion your hair, as long as you portion your hair, it will be very, very easy for you to braid. Thank you. So sorry guys, as at this part my ring light went off again. I had to quickly plug it, so I'll be adding a bit of coils to the tip, and I'll be making use of my bendy rollers to achieve that, and I'll be extra careful because I don't want to spoil the coils extensions I added to it. So I wanted to give like this island twist look. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more, like my video and share. Thank you.